Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just received this package in the mail from Elf, and honestly, whenever I order something, by the time it gets here, I always forget how much stuff I really end up ordering and spending my money on. So I wanted to do like a little haul. That's why I look like really ugly right now, because I just got this in the mail like literally like 10 minutes ago. So we're gonna unbox it and see what I got, because I don't even know what I got. So I'm gonna dump all of it. She's here for the experience.
Elf is my favorite, and the fact that she got a freaking box full of it. Like, there's at least 20 plus things here.
Oh my
I'm so
God.
excited to see it all because I love it.
Here's everything
Oh my
got. Okay, so the first thing is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I know that I got like probably 4 or 5 of these because I needed liquid liners. Like, I always run out of them. So I got one of those.
You know it's a lot when there's 2 freaking pages of what you order.
I got the Acne Fighting Spot Gel with Aloe. I love this stuff, and they don't sell it in stores for some reason. I got the Illuminating Palette. I have one of these. Why did I buy this? I don't even know why I got this, but it's one of their highlighter palettes. I got one of their cream blushes. This is the Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow in Soft Peach. I don't even use blush. Again, I don't know. I probably only bought a majority of these things because they were good deals. Like, do you think I'm really going to use a cream blush? No. I got the Matte Lip Volt because this just looks so pleasing, and they're actually kind of tiny, like in real life. I thought this would be like normal sized lipstick tubes, but they're like really skinny. I got their contour palette in light. I got their cream contour palette in light. The Artist Mixing Palette. I saw this on their website and I've never seen it before, but it looked really intriguing. I cannot open it right now, but it's basically like a mixing palette for like foundations or whatever you need to mix. I got a brow gel, sheer tint brow gel. I didn't even know they sold brow gel. Like, I swear on my life, I did not remember putting half of these things in my cart.
I actually always wanted to try the brow gel.
I got another mixing palette. I got 2 mixing palettes for some reason. I got another liquid liner. I'm gonna count how many liquid liners I ended up actually getting. I got their Rose Gold Power Glow highlighter stick, or cream highlighter. I don't really know. It's like a serum? I thought this was a stick. So I guess that could be like mixed with your foundation or used as just a liquid highlighter. I honestly thought this was a stick on the website, but I guess not. I got their Nourishing Facial Oil. I love facial oils, or anything with like dropper like serums and stuff like that, because I have super dry skin. I love all their packaging too. This is glass and it just looks so like high end, but I'm pretty sure all their oils were like $6 or something, because everything was 50% off, like I said. Another one of their glitter primers, because mine is like really old and like it's separating in the tube, so I just got a new one. I'm probably gonna throw this one out. Then I got their Dewy Setting Mist in Coconut. I really tried to buy anything that was for hydration or like luminous finishes and like dewy looks, and I always love their sprays because they're like all over. It's not just like a direct mist. Oh, and I guess I ordered 2 Dewy Setting Mists because who knows. I got their highlighting powder in Rose Gold. I have both of their other highlighting powders that are like this, but I don't have the Rose Gold one. Their Under Eye Correct and Set Eye Powder in Banana for a deep tone skin tone, but I really like the banana powders. This is a very tiny jar. I got another blush. This is like primer infused apparently, so I think you're supposed to put it on before your foundation. It's supposed to like give you like a blushing glow from like under your foundation. I think that's like the whole point behind it. I got their Aqua Primer Mist in Clear. I have one of these, so I ended up buying a new one because I really love it. It's really like a quick application of primer before makeup if you're running late. It's just really easy to spray it on there and then go from there. I got their facial massager. I don't know realistically when I would ever use this, but I was really intrigued by it. Yeah. I think this is supposed to like do something with your pores. I'm not completely sure, but it looks like really cool. Another liquid liner. So far, we're at 3 precision liquid liners. But I really love liquid liners. Like, I literally should have bought 10 of these because I can never find a liner with like a brush tip. Even when I type in liquid liner, they're always felt tip liners. And e.l.f. is the only brand that I know of that has liquid liners. Oh my god. I got another blush because their blushes are cheap enough to have just to have in case if you want it. When I did used to wear blush, I know I like them, so it's not like I'm just buying it to put it in my collection. I do like their blushes, I just don't tend to wear any kind of blush. So it's good to kind of have at least a couple of blushes so when you want to wear it you can. And e.l.f. is cheap enough where even if you don't wear it every day, it's still good to have in your collection because I'm pretty sure this was only like $1.50. Then I bought their mix to match adjuster in bronze, which this is meant to mix with your foundation to make it darker if it's too light of a shade. And I'm pretty sure they also have a lightener. I got another one of their precision liquid liner. This is the thing I'm most excited about. It just looked, and like the name sounds like so, like advertising. Like I would so buy this just because of the name. It's Lock-On Foundation Glue, which obviously if you're into makeup or know anything really about makeup, you know that a primer is kind of meant to fill in your pores and make your foundation stick and kind of last all day. So the word glue just kind of like means tacky and sticky, and that's what everyone wants, and like their perfect primer is like a sticky kind of texture so their foundation can really stick onto something. Do you see how much I think it's glue. A couple of weeks ago my sister gave me this soothing aloe mist, and it was literally full when I got it a couple weeks ago, and it's like halfway down now, and I literally use it every day. I talked about it in previous videos. I use this all the time, usually like in between makeup steps, like after powder when I'm looking super matte, or even before my foundation, after my makeup is all complete, like as a setting mist. I use this like literally all the time. Even as like a midday refresher when I come home, if I'm feeling like super dry, I'll just spray that on my face. So I ordered another one. Then I got another foundation lock-on glue. I got their HD Sheer Setting Powder. I only got one of these because I don't know how much I'll like it if it has flashback or anything like that. Then I bought their tinted moisturizer in nude, and I had one of these before and I didn't really use it, but that's because when I had it I wasn't really that into makeup, so I feel like having at least one kind of BB cream or CC cream for like the summer that's kind of like a lightweight coverage yet does good to your skin is really good to have at least one of those in your makeup collection. And then last I got one of their highlighters. I have all other 3 of the colors, like the Moonlight Pearls. I have all of their other baked highlighters and I love them. And this color just looks so pretty. It's not an everyday kind of color. It looks like champagne on camera, but it's like really like a pink kind of highlight, and it's really subtle, which I said before that I love. So here is what I'm looking at right now. I did buy all this stuff with my own money, and the only reason I'm mentioning that is because every time I do like hauls or some kind of video like this, I always get at least 1 or 2 comments saying that you're a spoiled brat, like you get everything you want, like that's ridiculous, why do you need all that makeup? And it's just really annoying to me because like it's my money, and if I want to spend it on makeup and something that I love to do, I feel like I earned it and I should be able to spend it on what I want to. And yeah, it just like annoys me when I see those kinds of comments, and I know I shouldn't care about comments and I really don't. But it just makes me mad that people think that about you without knowing like how much money you have or like what you actually do to make the money that you spend. So that was it for this massive e.l.f. haul. Keep in mind that all of this stuff was with like the Cyber Monday deals and everything was 50% off. So I did really get good deals on all of this stuff. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below what your favorite product from e.l.f. is. If you haven't tried e.l.f. before, you're really missing out. And also comment down below what your favorite product from e.l.f. is, and if you haven't tried e.l.f. before, you definitely should. This video isn't sponsored, but it's a really great cheap makeup line, especially if you're starting out with makeup. It's probably one of my favorite makeup lines. My favorite product from today was probably the Lock-On Foundation Glue. No, I haven't tried it, but just like something about it looks like really intriguing. I'll definitely be sure to update you guys in some later videos when I actually use it, and I'll tell you guys how it works. Subscribe to my channel because I have a whole bunch of more vlogs coming out for Vlogmas, and thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much, and bye guys!